Have you ever had your iPhone suddenly heat up so much that it almost shuts itself down, leaving you staring at that overheating warning? If you've used the iPhone 15 Pro or even the latest iPhone 16, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, but here's the good news. The iPhone 17 Pro might finally fix this problem once and for all. According to a new report from a very reliable insider, Apple is giving the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max a proper cooling system. That means no more phones that turn into hand warmers, and no more brick devices that only let you make emergency calls until they cool down. This upgrade alone could make the iPhone 17 Pro feel like a completely different experience compared to the iPhone 16. And the changes don't stop there. Thanks to the improved cooling system, several big pain points are about to get better. First, the battery is expected to work more efficiently, so you won't see it drain as quickly when the phone is under pressure. Second, the high display. Brightness you rely on outdoors should last longer, even under the sun. Third, gaming performance will stay more stable, which is a huge deal for anyone who plays graphically demanding titles. And finally, recording 4K video at 60 frames per second on hot summer days won't be as much of a nightmare. If this report is true, and it almost certainly is, the iPhone 17 Pro could easily be the most practical iPhone Apple has made in years. But there's even more on the table this time. For the first time ever, every iPhone 17 model will come with promotion displays. That's Apple's way of saying 120Hz LTPO screens, and it means smooth scrolling, smoother animations, and a much better feel overall. After years of keeping this feature exclusive to the Pro models, Apple is finally saying goodbye to 60Hz displays across the lineup. Now here's where Apple is taking a different approach compared to Samsung's Galaxy S6 series. While Samsung is trying to make its new phones thinner, Apple is actually making the iPhone 17 Pro slightly thicker than the iPhone 16 Pro. Why? To fit a larger battery. Combine that with iOS 26's smarter battery management, and we're looking at noticeably longer battery life. This is one of those decisions that feels like a win for users, even if the phone feels a tiny bit heavier in your hand. And then there's memory. Reports say Apple originally planned to give all iPhone 17 models a bump to 12 GB of RAM, but due to supply chain limitations, that upgrade may now be limited to the Pro and Pro Max. Even so, that's still a big step up. More RAM means smoother multitasking, faster app switching, and less chance of apps reloading in the background. So, let's put it all together. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to fix overheating issues, keep brightness and performance consistent, handle gaming better, make 4K video recording easier, bring a bigger battery, and ship with 12 GB of RAM. On top of that, every model in the lineup is finally getting promotion displays. In short, Apple might have just created the first iPhone that tackles the very problems people have been complaining about for years. For anyone frustrated with their iPhone 16 or even the iPhone 15 Pro, this feels like the upgrade you've been waiting for. What do you think? Is this enough to make the iPhone 17 Pro worth upgrading to, or do you think Apple is just catching up to problems they should have solved already? Share your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates. *.